This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Manuel Diaz. Move-in Ready Perfect Townhouse in desirable Chateaux Woods. Spacious Great Room floor plan with vaulted ceilings and newer neutral ceramic tile. Updated kitchen with new wood cabinets, granite countertops, 1-year-old stainless steel appliances, French-style refrigerator, glass top range with induction, backsplash and breakfast nook with plantation shutters. Dining room area great for entertaining. Florida room flex space, 9x18, with AC. Side door leads to backyard with hedges for privacy. Master suite with real wood flooring. Master bath on first floor with adjacent bath. New fire-rated pedestrian door to garage. Extra parking pad. HOA $287 per month includes trash, building insurance, roof, ground maintenance, escrow reserves, community pool. Pet-friendly community, no weight limit. Great location close to county parks, trails, beaches, shopping, restaurants and Tampa International Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Manuel Diaz at 813-512-2100.